everyone, this is Stephanie Derrick from Heavenly Sounds Piano and Vocal Studio. Heavenly Sounds. I just want to go over some common vocal problems that people might have and you may not recognize them. So I'm going to name them, and there will be 5 that I will talk about. I will go into detail if you go into my page on Instagram and go pretty far down into my timeline. You will see when I'm discussing vocal problems. But right now, what I would like to tell you about, we have 5 common vocal problems. The first one is called closed jaw tone, when people won't open up their mouth when they sing. Second is nasal tone, when people sing and it sounds like they're singing out of their nose. Third is called breathy tone. Sounds like air is escaping out of their mouth. 4 is throaty tone, and it sounds like you have done something really bad to your voice. And 5 is pitchy, where you cannot sing on the melody. You can't sing the tune. You're out of tune. So those are the most 5 common vocal problems that we have. Check them out. Make sure it's not you. Bye.